Welcome back to Hamilton Lifestyles. In this video, we're going to be talking about transplanting. Some supplies you're going to need are your choice of garden soil, a pot or area to plant, a garden spade, garden gloves which are optional, and some water. The first step is to fill a pot with soil. Then remove your plant and place it into the pot. The next thing you're going to do is cover it with some soil. And then you're going to place it in your garden and then water it. You can use this method with most plant types.